This is a little bit annoying really, because I've made quite a few videos last year of smartwatches. And my wife said, I want a smartwatch. I said, you're joking. I've done quite a few videos on smartwatches. Now you decide you want one? And I've got rid of all them other ones? She goes, yeah. So she has chosen this one. This costs around about £30. I'm looking on Amazon at the moment. And at the moment it says apply 15% voucher. I'm not sure how long that's going to last, but it's on there right now. So yeah, another smartwatch. So in this video, we're going to do the unboxing like we normally do. I'm not going to show you around the box because there's not really a lot to see. Alarm, it says alarm alert, activities track, multi-sports mode. Call alert, SMS alert, heart rate monitor. She wants it for, she says, for walking, you know, exercises, stuff like that. And she chose it. I had nothing to do with the input, why she chose this one. She chose all of it. She said she read a load of reviews. There's 43 reviews on there at the moment on Amazon. She said, I looked at all the reviews of all the different ones and I like the look of this one, and it's had some really good reviews. It's only had 43, but she likes it. So I said, okay, can I do an unboxing? She said, yeah, of course you can. You've got to set it up for me as well. So it is. It's a pink one, or pinkish, you know. It's not, well, I suppose it is pink. It's not what I call a proper pink, though. You know what I mean? I suppose it's a proper girly pink. Or am I being sexist? Hopefully not. So it comes with a charging USB cable with a little sensor on it, and that'd be magnetic, because I've done one of these before. There's a little magnet there which connects to the back of this. Let me quickly show you. Also, I did have a quick read of the instructions because the box wasn't sealed, and it says you must charge it up first before use. So 3 little dots. There, is that it there? Or is that it there? Let's have a look. What we've got. Oh, it's there. There it is. Right. So it'll either go like that, but it won't go like that. See? It'll fight it. So it can only go on one way, which is like that. Cable length, I would say that's probably about 800 at a guess. I will have a quick measure up in a minute and stick it, you know, on the video right now so you can see what size these are, or the length of the cable, approximately. So this is it. So what I'm going to do now we've had a quick look around it, pink. What's that? Figo run? Figure run? Figure run? I don't know, something like that. Yeah? Yeah, it looks alright. Will it go around my wrist? Yeah. Oh yeah, it will. Easily. So it's good if you've got big wrists like me. Yeah? Plenty of holes. Only comes with one strap because some of these watches come with more than one. Just double check. Yeah, only comes with one strap. And yeah, first impressions. Yeah, it's a nice size watch actually. It's quite a big face, which I like. Even for ladies, I think, you know, most ladies nowadays don't like the really tiny watches. They like, you know, similar to what men have in sizes. You know, and I think that's fair enough. So with that, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge her up, and then I'm going to see how easy it is to set up. And it should be straightforward, easy to set up. We will go through the settings like I normally do, but we need to charge it up first. So with that, quick message from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by SaharaGaming. I've teamed up with them to bring you a £20 discount on their all-in-one water cooling system. Check out the link in the video description for more details. This discount will only last till September 2022. After that, you pay the normal price. So with that, let's get back to the video. She's all charged up, but I've had a little play about it because I want to make sure I know what I'm talking about. So I've actually downloaded the software already, and I've actually gone through some of the settings. Like, you need to tell it whether you're male or female. It's for my wife, so it's female. How much you weigh, what your age is, stuff like that. And it's important that you do that because it will give you a better experience. So try not to cheat, you know, and say, oh, I don't weigh that much. Make sure you're honest to yourself, because it's only for you anyway. So I'm not going to show you how to do all that, because she doesn't want you to know how much she weighs and how old she is. It's up to her. So let's go through the binding scenario. So that's ready to go. Get your app up. This is Very Fit Pro. You can get it from the Android store or the iStore. It doesn't matter. It's the same program. Works exactly the same. So you need to bind it. So go to Devices and Pair Device. Also, if you're thinking about giving it to someone else in the future or selling it on, you will have to unbind it. And that's very important. So it's come up straight away. It's that little baby there. Click on that. Do a search for it. Try and make sure they're near each other. It's found it straight away. Confirm bind. Give it a couple of seconds. Job done. That is it. That is how easy it is to do. You don't need to go into your Bluetooth settings or anything like that. But you must make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. It won't connect without Bluetooth. Okay? So just make sure it's turned on. So that is it, really easy, and also you get quite a few extra functions, especially on the app. So you get active sleep, heart rate, and check your heart rate. Obviously we haven't done no testing yet. Oh, because I'm touching it, see? 123, is that good? Don't know. Details, it will give you a graph as you do your steps and things like that. Also there is some options to turn other devices on, or like alarm alerts, SNS alerts, stuff like that. You need to actually turn them on if you want them on. Heart rate detection is on automatically. Wrist sense, I think that is the sensor on the back to, you know, check your blood pressure, stuff like that. I think. I'm not sure because I haven't read the instructions. The only time I read the instructions was for the app to find out which app it was. Firmware upgrade and users. You can log in or register. I haven't done either for my wife. I've just put in the details and it's working. So you don't have to log in and you don't have to register. But it might give you an even more better experience, if that makes sense. So let's have a quick look at some of the functions that are actually on here. So you can go left, right, up and down. So if I go down, you get text messages. I haven't set that up yet. If you go up, the steps, back down again, left, or sorry, right, and heart rate, not sure what that is or what they do. That is for your phone. If you want to find your phone, you press that and it should make it vibrate. Like if you dropped it down a settee or something, you think, where's my phone gone? You can get this to, you know, connect to this and send it a message. It will vibrate and make a noise or something like that. Again, you will have to turn on the feature. Oops, what have I done? Yeah, you will have to turn that feature on in the settings, so make sure you do, which is, I can't remember, is it more options? I think it might be under more options. Find my phone. I'm going to turn it on. There you go, so it's on. Let's get back to the watch. So go right, or left, sorry. Sports, heart rate, relax, alarm, scroll up. And music control, that's turned off at the moment. Timer, settings, sports record. Okay, I think that's it. And if you want to get back to the clock, you can actually change the clock face, by the way. You just press the button on the side and there it goes, straight back. Yeah, turn off the screen, turn it on again. Also, I do believe if you double tap it, ain't gonna work now, is it? No, that doesn't work then. Or is it shake? It's one or the other, I can't remember. Neither. Might be because it ain't on my wrist. But yeah, seems to work very well. What we're going to do now is I'm going to give it a few weeks, because, you know, you want to get a proper experience and see how well she gets on with it, and I will ask her opinion. She doesn't want to be on camera, so I will tell you what she thinks of it, okay? So we will be back at some point, instantly, you know, with this video. Verdict time. My wife says she absolutely loves it. She's constantly checking how many steps she does every single day. She's addicted to it. It's terrible. It's a nightmare. Don't buy one. She even takes photos of how many steps she's done. I think the best one she done was about, I think 19,000, nearly 20,000 steps in a day. Yeah, seriously, I mean, look at this. It's ridiculous. See that? The screen's gone off. Screensaver. It's not my phone, it's hers. Yeah, absolutely loves it. She's constantly checking it. She gets messages come up or vibrations to tell she's got messages. She's checking her heart rate. Look, she's done 13,120 steps today. That's one of her lowest. Seriously. Really addictive. I'm not saying it's a good thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it can be very addictive. I was quite impressed. 5.54 miles she's done today. 602 calories. She goes, I ain't losing a lot of calories. Well, you're only doing walking. Checks her heart rate and stuff like that. Yeah, like I said, she's addicted. She absolutely loves it. Thinks it's brilliant. What can I say? You need to stop using it, woman. That's all I can say. This thing, the actual app is pretty good as well. It gives you, you can do this week. That's what she's done this week. It's Friday today. You know, this month, don't know why it went blank now, but there you go. This year, look at it. It's mental. Sleep. She doesn't wear it in bed. She doesn't like wearing one in bed. Heart rate for the year. I'm guessing that's good. Yeah. And then you've got down here, you've got average heart rate 62, maximum heart rate 62, minimum heart rate. Yeah. Very addictive. And easy to use. If I remember how to get out of here. Oh yeah, we're on heart rate and activities. There you go. So look, annual distance 84.45 miles. Annual steps, it's 199,883. And she's only had it for like a month or so. Yeah, it's mental. It definitely gets my wife's thumbs up because she said, yeah, really like it. I love playing about with it. I love keeping an eye on how many steps I've got to do. Minimum, it's set for 10,000. She does that very easily most days of the week. Occasionally we'll go below that, but most of the time it's over that, if not ridiculously high. And she sends pictures to her sister, our sons. She said, look how many steps I've done. Picture. Just to prove it. Crazy. It's crazy. Definitely crazy. Definitely gets her thumbs up. I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So with that, don't forget, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.